Okay, hello my friends. I got a new piece of gear. I was tipped off by Dan, Wandering Monk. That's his channel, Wandering Monk. He tipped me off about this harness for his GoPro. It was on sale for $9. I couldn't help but buy it. So let's see if we can get this harness on. Oh my goodness, I tried it at home. Let's see. All right, let's see. Okay, we're recording. Okay, this is another Christmas present. It's a Zpacks Duplex, and this is just how it came. It's not even been opened, so I'm gonna go ahead. It's the first pitch. I'll go ahead and speed it up, and let's see how it comes out. Okay. That's pretty much it. Dirt. That's the color. I'll do these pullouts in a minute. I'm gonna check the inside now, but that's it. Now, I paid extra for this color, thinking that it wouldn't be as see-through. I thought it'd be a little more opaque, but I can see right in there. I can see right in there. I guess that comes with these Dyneema tents. Have no option. If you want a Dyneema tent, it's going to be like that, not opaque. A week before last, I produced a video with Bob's Red Mill grits. I misspoke and said they were gluten-free. One of my loyal and frequent commenters, Mr. Henderson, G. Henderson, always schools me when I mistakenly say something. So the Bob's Red Mill grits are not gluten-free, and he does make gluten-free flour and things, and I'll put a picture of the grits up here, and I'll put a picture of the gluten-free flour. Now, the reason we know it's gluten-free is it has a red GF up in the right-hand corner. Now, I don't know why I thought the grits were gluten-free. Well, I do know why. I read the back, misread the back, and I thought it said gluten-free, but it didn't. So anyway, I wanted to clear that up. I didn't think I'd be doing another one of these videos, but last week in the rain, I didn't have a chance to test it, but Kevin was able to, he's the Pine Mountain Trail official food taster. and he was able to get this cheese ramen, and it's something my wife brought home the other day. Thought I might be interested in it. Now I'm not going to make you watch me cook it, but I did want to tell you a little bit about it. Mike is sitting here to my right, and his generation in Korea, cheese was not something on their menu. Not only was it not on their menu, it wasn't in their thinking about cheese. But now we're 2-3 generations later, and Mike, am I saying something correct?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, 2 or 3 generations later, the younger generation now, it's all about cheese. In fact, this company here, Ottugi, has met that need. So they've come out with the cheese ramen. And that's what I'm gonna cook tonight, and check it out. Now I'm not gonna make you watch me cook it or anything, but I will bring you back after it's done and tell you about it. Smells like cheese.
You put it in?
Yeah. So you saw what it looked like. So I'm gonna go ahead and consume it tonight. Okay, I realized I didn't have an ending for this video, so it's time to catch up on some mail call. Now I did get 2 stickers from Todd and Elise, and their channel is in our element. And a nice card from them, Elise and Todd. Also, I've got one from Billy Bikes and Brews. This nice looking sticker. He has I already have one up there, but not this one. This is his new sticker, and also a nice, lovely card. Okay, here's where they're gonna go. Billy Bike, he's up here. But I'm gonna place his new one down here. And then I've got one from Elise. Yeah, one from Todd. All right, guys, there you go.